Hey, this is Dwayne, CFRN, bringing you another fun internet tip to make your digital life more exciting. Question: did you know that Google personalizes your search results based upon your search history? Let's say you enjoy chocolate cake, and so you Google chocolate cake for recipes and places you can buy chocolate cake, and you've been to a lot of chocolate cake websites, okay? If you search Google for chocolate cake, that first page of search results is going to be densely populated with places you've already been. Why? Because in Google's algorithm, they figure that's relevant to you and important to you. Now, they're going to mix it up a little bit, but potentially 5 out of 10 of the results could be because those are sites that you've gone to and spent some time at. So Google's thinking and they're working hard to help you, okay? Now, maybe you don't want personalized results. Maybe you want to just get pure results, okay? As if you had never searched that term before. I assure you, you're going to get back a much different set of results. Now, the solution is to use Google Chrome, brought to you by the good folks at Google, and then you drop this window down and click New Incognito Window. Okay? Opens a new window. Tells you exactly what going incognito entails. But for the purpose of this discussion, it's going to give you pure, unadulterated search results based upon information available, not based upon your personal browsing history or habits. Okay? For instance, we all have an interest in Emini Futures. I say we because if you're seeing this video, chances are you're on our website or on our YouTube channel, or you're somewhere that has something to do with Emini Futures, and you're reading or listening or watching this message. Brought to you by the good folks at CFRN. Okay, Emini Futures. Okay, how about Emini Futures best kept secret? We all like a good secret, don't we? Gotta spell it right. Emini Futures best kept secret. I mean, who wouldn't want to know that, right? Let's find out. Got a couple of paid ads up at the top, but as we scroll down into the organic, okay, what do we find? Look at that. That's me, by the way, in case you didn't know. And no, I haven't cut my hair. The ponytail is just kind of hidden in this photo. You know, I'm a man of a certain age, so I don't know if this ponytail is really carrying its weight the way it used to when I was a younger man and, you know, all up in the clubs and stuff. And I'm not that guy anymore. I sort of waved goodbye to that lifestyle when I was 37. And I don't know. I guess the hair is going to be the last thing to go. Or maybe not. Anyway, if you click, now remember we searched Emini Futures best kept secret, and because we're using the incognito function inside of the Google Chrome browser, we're getting the type of results we would get as if we had just unboxed a brand spanking new computer that had never had a search done on it before, and we typed in Emini Futures best kept secret. Out of 170,000 options, we are honored and humbled to come in at number 1. And you know, the article they chose to link to, I thought was really a good choice. I mean, those guys at Google and gals or ladies are pretty doggone smart. They picked the article, How to Be a Trader, for that particular search query. To think like a trader is how to be a trader. Okay? And it's actually a pretty good article. So if you would like to know the answer to the question, the best kept secret, and the secondary question, how to be a trader, I mean, is that what you want? Is that why you're hanging out around CFRN and other trading sites, watching the market as it unfolds each day? Do you want to be a trader? Okay, it's a yes or no answer. If the answer is yes, What a great place to start. How to be a trader. If you want to take it a step farther, you're invited to take a free trial with us. You only have to go to the home page. Used to be you had to go through several clicks, but we thought, hey, let's make it easy. Okay? Name, email, you're in. Now, what do you get? Well, you get to watch us trade real money in real time in front of real people, okay, for 5 days. You can start on a Tuesday or a Thursday. It doesn't matter. You'll get 5 trading days in the live trading room. Also, you can ask questions while we're trading. Hey, what's that? Well, why did you do that? Well, what are you going to do next? In our live trading room, we actually call the trades ahead of time before we place them. Okay, not after the fact. We also show you the DOM. We trade a multitude of markets each day. We trade the S&P, and the Dow, the Russell, and the NASDAQ, and soybeans, and crude, and some currencies, the euro, the yen, gold, if I haven't mentioned that one. We trade a variety of markets. So whatever it is that you want to learn how to trade, we can teach you how to trade that market. Now, what's really unique is we'll teach you how to trade. If, let's say, you want to trade gold, we're going to teach you a little recipe for trading gold that is the exact same recipe that we're going to teach to the guy that wants to trade the S&P or the soybeans or the NASDAQ. Same recipe for all the markets. How's that possible? Well, come take the free trial and we'll show you. Okay? Now, during the 5-day period, you're going to have 5 hours of video instruction plus 10 hours of live trading. Okay? That's real trades. I'm talking real money in front of real people, in front of real time, and in front. Let's try that again. Back it up. Real money in real time in front of real people. And you'll be one of those real people. And you'll really be able to ask questions. You'll get 5 hours of video training away from the live trading room. But here's the kicker. You're going to get the platform that we use and the indicators that we use. You're going to get those for all this stuff you see up here. Okay? You're going to get all of it for 5 days. 5 trading days. Okay? The data, real-time data, platform, indicators, we pick up the tab. You don't pay a dime. We don't need your credit card number. We don't need your mother's maiden name. We don't need to know the street you grew up on or who your first pet was. We just need your name, your email address, and a desire to learn how to trade. And you know what? We can spot who's serious by day 2. Now, not like we're, trying to spot somebody. I'm just saying the person who is asking the really good questions is the person who's going to get the most of our attention because we know they're serious about learning how to trade. And while we're in the business of teaching people how to trade, we also want to have a great track record, not only with our trades, but with our traders. All right? We want to work with people who are as passionate about the markets as we are. Once you start the free trial, you'll be sent a link to download the platform and install the indicators. You'll also have a multitude of phone numbers and email addresses where you can reach out for help as soon as you need it, okay? If it's the platform, if it's the indicators, whatever you need, you're going to call toll-free 866-928-3310. If you look outside and it's dark, you're going to call 949-42-EMINI. And there's going to be somebody there to help you. I want you to watch Michael trade in the live trading room 2 hours a day, your first 2 days, and then the other 22 hours of the day, just get familiar with the platform, change the time frames, change the markets, just get comfortable. By day 3, I want you putting on and taking off trades in the simulator using our methodology and our indicators. I want you to do that the 3rd day, the 4th day, and the 5th day. And then at the end of the 5th day, I want you to take a look at your equity curve. Now, this is in the simulator, so you're not risking real money. But at the end of the 5-day free trial, if you followed the instructions and the directions and all of that, guess what? You'll show a positive equity curve. Now, when's the last time you had a positive equity curve? Hopefully today, hopefully yesterday, hopefully last week, last month, last quarter, and last year. If, unfortunately, you fall into the category or group of folks who are maybe not consistent with the positive equity curve, well, we're here to help you with that. Okay? Now, you may be asking, well, if it's so great and it really works, why don't you just trade it and make a bunch of money and go on about your life? Well, we do trade. In fact, we trade right in front of you every day in real time, right? So, yes, we trade, but we also teach. Now, the greats, the financial greats, the Rockefellers and all those guys, each of them has written a book at some point, and there's a recurring theme across all the greats and all the books. It says to be, or to generate, or to create, I think is the term they use the most, to create wealth. Not a paycheck, but wealth, you know, the kind of thing that you pass down from generation to generation. To create true wealth, you must have multiple income streams. Now, Michael and I feel very blessed that we are able to have multiple income streams all under one roof. It's like the very best of both worlds for us. We get to do what we do best for a living, and then we get to, then we get to teach people how to do what we do for a living. That's multiple income streams. And then I've got a little bit of real estate by the grace of God. Michael's got a little bit of real estate. And so that's how we roll. How do you roll? If maybe you've got some other income streams and you're just working your tail off to try to get your trading to become one of those streams, come take the free trial. Worst that's going to happen is 5 days from now, you will be 5 days older and you still won't have a positive equity curve. I mean, that's the worst possible scenario. But hopefully you'll be 5 days older and a little bit wiser. And even if you decide that, what we do is not your cup of tea, I'll bet you, and I'm not a betting man, but I'll bet you anyway, that at the end of the 5 days, you're going to have learned and picked up on a couple of things that you will take with you at no charge, and you're going to integrate those things into your trading for the rest of your life. I'm serious. You're going to hear some things in the live trading room and see some things that, again, even if you don't hook up with us long term as a CFRN partner, you're going to learn. You're going to wet your beak with some good information, and you're going to take it with you. So your 5 days will not be in vain. You have my guarantee. There's not a lot of absolutes in the world of trading, but this one, I absolutely guarantee it. You're going to learn and see some things you've not seen or heard before, and whether you become a partner or not, you're going to become a better trader. Watch and see. Now again, to take the free trial, this is it. You don't have to go incognito, and you don't have to search Emini Futures best kept secret. You can just go. You can take the shortcut. CFRN.net. Okay, and on the right hand side of the page, right there. Now you're going to get an automated email response. Okay, what does that mean? It means the machine, the robot, is going to send you an email that says, hey, somebody from your address using your name just applied for a free trial. Was that really you? Now, the reason we want you to confirm it is because we hate spam as much as you do. Your spam filter on your email client will probably flag it as being a computer-generated email, and it might stick it in your spam folder, your promotions folder, your bulk folder. It's going to hide somewhere. So in 3 minutes, if you don't see the email, then use the search function inside of your email client to search for CFRN. It'll pop right to the top. Click that link. Now, this is where humans get involved, because once you click that link, Michael and I are going to be notified that you want to take the free trial, and then either he or I or someone here on staff will, in fact, sit down and old school send you an email that has the link to the live trading room, the password to get in there, the link to download the platform, the indicators, a video that teaches you, shows you how to download the platform and install the indicators. Okay? So again, CFRN.net, it's right there. If you want a more in-depth explanation of what the free trial entails and includes, check this out. CFRN.net/apply. It's the same sign-up form. Don't bother signing up twice. You only need to sign up once. In fact, it will only allow you to sign up once. And there's some of our results over the past year. Okay, this is the entire year of 2013. Okay, have a look. There's some explanation as to what these numbers mean. There's a little video here. Good stuff. All right, so you get cracking, and I'll see you tomorrow morning in the live trading room. Thanks so much. Have a great day.